Today I'm going to get right into it because I'm really excited about this product. This is fairly new. It hasn't been up for too long. I love it. I've just got a hold of it a few weeks ago at the photography show, so if you came down you've probably seen it there. It's like a camera bracket, but it isn't. It's actually a collar that goes around. So this is called the Wizard by NiSi. It does come in various different sizes depending on your lens. So there's a model number on here, which basically means the size of the diameter of your lens. Whatever it is, you shouldn't have anything exceeding that really. So an 82mm should be the maximum diameter of your lens, and that should work quite well. So I've got it on here on this camera, but before I go into more detail, just a few quick specs. It's really light. This is absolutely light, and the reason is because it's made from aircraft grade aluminium alloy. Just like many of the products, they are, you know, they're just made so good. They're just fantastic, right? I'm not going to go into too much detail because you know what quality you're getting when you buy NiSi. That's the box that it comes in. I'm not going to do much of an unboxing, so I'll just leave that there so you can have a look at it. Here it is. Here's one I made earlier. So another thing about this is that it does have an Arca Swiss plate, which makes it compatible with many tripods, as you can see over here. So we do have the ridges over here, so it can just slot into any tripod and off you go. Tighten it and that's it, you're done. Now the thing I love about this is how easy it is to use. So I'm just going to mount it back on here and I'll give you a quick showdown on how it actually works. Right, so the first thing, what is it? What is it for? What does it actually do? Well, for a lot of content creators out there, and not only content creators but anybody who wants to rotate their camera from a landscape position to a portrait position, there you go. That's all you have to do. You don't have to take it off the tripod. You don't have to do anything else. You literally just do that. And if you're being very adventurous, you can even turn it upside down. And what it has those stops there. So if I rotate that, there you go. It clicks into place and it has those three distinctive stops there. So it stops there. Stops there, so it stops there. But yeah, you know what I mean. When placing the camera onto the collar, leave about a finger space between the lens body and the collar. This is so that you can press the lens release button and change your lens without any difficulties. Some lenses do have switches on them. Just note that these might get covered by the collar. It's really easy to use. It does have a tightening knob over here, so if I just loosen that, it just makes it loose. Now when it's there, it's not going to go anywhere. If you're taking a shot, it's not going to move. It's going to stay exactly where it is. But if you really want it to stay so it doesn't accidentally slip just like it happened there, you can tighten it, and that is a really tight knob. It's really cool to the feel. You can feel the grip on there. There you go. Now it's not moving and I'm not going to force it. So what we have here is the Allen key. This is where the Allen key is. You can just knock it out. It's magnetic. You can see how strong the magnets are. You can see 1, 2, 3 magnets over here somewhere. 4 magnets. All you do is to put the camera on, undo the knob over here, which I'm not going to do, the screw, and it'll undo the camera and you can put your camera on here. There are some screws here on this side. Now what these are for is to adjust the height of this. And why is that important? Well, let me take it off and show you. So if I take it off the tripod, to get this perfectly round so everything stays center, you do need to adjust it, and that is how you do it, is by shifting these screws over here. So I'm just going to quickly loosen them to show you, yeah, and see what that does. There you are, just a tiny bit there, and there you go. You can see how that just adjusts up and down like so. And what you want to do is you want to keep the center of your lens in the center of this ring, and the reason for that is whenever you're taking your shot, your center point will remain in the center no matter which orientation you have a camera in. And that's fantastic. The center will always be in the center no matter what I do. So there's not a lot much more to talk about this. It's available to buy right now. It's a fantastic new product, just like all NiSi products. I probably hear my kids talking in the background. There you go, the NiSi Wizard Bracket. Get one, go out, shoot, enjoy, share your images with NiSi. Do tag them, NiSi UK, and we'll share your images. Happy shooting guys, and all the best. See you soon.